chocolate milk? Good choice, man.
Joel explaining breakfast to the students and how important breakfast is to start his day is the best thing students can hear to get that breakfast message. And so they were able to understand that they too need to eat breakfast and also fuel up with the right foods.
It was a really great day. We got to be in here when the kids were eating breakfast, and you kind of talk to them, what's their favorite meal, you know, why do they enjoy it, and the kids are so energetic, and it's really fun to just get out and reach with them. And then, you know, you got to go see them in class, and for me, it kind of brings back the memory of being in elementary school and kind of going through a school day and how much fun I used to have. You got to get the hip. I just enjoyed also going out, and we used to play basketball at lunch all the time and just kind of play around and get some energy out, you know, so I think that was the best part for me.
Eating breakfast every day is so important, and Joel was here talking about why breakfast is important to him, but not only is breakfast important, but fueling up with the right foods for breakfast is important. Getting your low-fat dairy in, your fruits and vegetables and whole grains, these are messages that children were able to hear from Joel and know that they too need to eat breakfast in order to start their day and be the best they can be.
Eat breakfast!